Explore the vibrant world of Mochi Ice with its diverse flavors, perfect for every palate. The coconut's granular texture blends flawlessly with premium sticky rice flour. Awaken your taste buds with each bite chewy, tender, sweet, but not overpowering, and refreshingly cool. Simple to prepare, just thaw for 10 minutes to enjoy. With a range of flavors, there's something to elevate your enjoyment. Our Mochi Ice maintains its moist, silky texture even after repeated thawing, ensuring consistently superior quality and taste. Join our Mochi Ice dessert celebration and experience the endless charm of these sweet delights in various flavors. Jack and King, a taste of China anytime, anywhere.